Everyone, this is Yuor. I am a web developer here at ResultsIQ, and in this occasion, I would like to show you a cool hack when developing HubSpot templates. So, as you can see here, we have a simple template that comes from the theme. And let's imagine that you are a content editor or a marketing person, and you just created an amazing website page. You used all the modules that you have here, and you created an amazing layout with the drag and drop tools and the theme settings and the modules that we are having in this theme. And now you need to, in the future, to create similar pages based on this template. Of course, you can clone this page, but let's imagine that you want to create this page from scratch, right? And when you create a new website page from scratch, you are going to select a template from the theme. In this case, you cannot clone the page, right? So in this case, instead of having a developer to code your whole template, that would take some time. You can use this hack. Let me show you. So you need to add this parameter, developer mode equals true, and so you can enter in developer mode. And when you enter in developer mode, you can see here in this arrow a drop down that says copy as whole. So you can copy the whole section, the whole code of this section to create the template. So let's copy this, and then let's go here to the design manager. Inside the theme folder, we have a folder called templates, and you can just clone one of the templates, right? You can just clone it, and then, for example, we are going to have this file or this template empty. We are just calling the base.html, and we are calling the header, the footer with this, and then we have an empty body, right? Which you just copy that section with hover, and if we paste it, we are going to have the whole code structure here, right? So this is amazing. Instead of coding this from scratch, you can just copy the section, and this is calling the modules that we need, this is calling the styles that we need, everything. So that's pretty amazing. So let's say that, like I said, you created an amazing page. Let's simulate that. We are going to change this title for visit ResultsIQ.io. Let's save this, and let's copy again this, and let's paste it here. Let's publish changes, and if we preview this, this is our template. A very simple template, but you can do the same with the other sections, right? You can copy this section as whole and the other ones, and you can paste it here, and you don't need any developer to create the template for you. And you created this page using the content editor tools, right? So that's amazing. So this is our template, and now if we want to create a website page from scratch, we go here, we click create, and the template is called here test template. So let's find that one, and we have this is the template that we need. We select template, and here's our template. That's perfect, right? So if you are not using the developer mode, let's remove that. You are not going to have the copy as whole option. So if you open this, you just have save section, and this is useful only if you are going to reuse sections in a page that you already created, right? But if you really need to create a website page from scratch and then select a template, you can use this cool hack. And I hope this helps. Thank you.